AXWEL offers TradingView charts, access to 6 CFD markets, and leverage of up to 1-200 through a clean proprietary platform. But is AXWEL legitimate, and should traders trust it with their money? Before opening an account, here are the benefits, limitations, and risks you need to understand. AXWEL is a CFD broker operated by Flux Limited and registered on Mahale Island in the Comoros. It offers CFDs across Forex, precious metals, cryptocurrencies, stocks, indices, and commodities. Remember, CFDs allow traders to speculate on rising or falling prices, but you do not own the underlying asset. AXWEL operates under the Moali International Services Authority, known as MISA, with license number BFX 2025069. This means AXWEL is licensed, but MISA is an offshore regulator. Instead of offering several platforms, AXWEL focuses on its own web trader and mobile trading app. Its main advantage is simplicity. The interface is relatively clean, while built-in TradingView charting provides technical indicators, drawing tools, and multiple time frames. Traders can also use standard risk controls, including stop loss and take profit orders, trailing stops, and price alerts. AXWEL offers 3 live account tiers: Silver, Gold, and Platinum accounts. The Silver account starts from $250. Gold starts from $500 and advertises spread discounts of up to 50%, along with lower overnight swap charges. Platinum requires $5,000 and advertises the broker's largest spread and swap discounts. All 3 accounts offer leverage of up to 1-200 and a minimum trade size of 0.01 lots. AXWEL also lists a 5% stop-out level. This means the platform may automatically close positions if the account's margin level falls to that threshold. AXWEL operates under an offshore regulatory license, giving the broker an established legal and operational framework for providing its trading services. The broker also provides access to important legal documents and account terms, allowing traders to review the conditions that apply before opening and funding an account. Because certain protections, fees, and account policies may vary depending on the client's location and account type, traders are encouraged to confirm details such as fund handling, negative balance protection, and withdrawal conditions directly with AXWEL. This simple verification process helps traders fully understand their account and begin trading with greater clarity and confidence. So, is AXWEL worth considering? Based on its overall offering, AXWEL presents an appealing option for traders looking for a simple, modern, and accessible trading experience. One of its biggest strengths is its straightforward platform, which is designed to make market navigation and trade execution easy. The integration of TradingView charts gives traders access to advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and flexible market analysis directly within the trading environment. A broad selection of CFD markets, giving traders opportunities to explore different asset classes from one account. Overall, AXWEL is a promising broker for traders who value platform simplicity, TradingView-powered charting, broad market access, and an easy-to-understand account setup.
If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more trading breakdowns.